Hello, and welcome back to Evil Exists. Many have noticed what appears to be a notebook, and what looks like a sonogram and some document on Red, White, and Bethune's YouTube video. I guess we cannot be sure that it is a sonogram. However, upon inspecting Brian and Gabby's Pinterest page, there is a pin called Oh Baby. It includes some newborn clothes, and other pregnancy and baby-related stuff. There is no evidence that shows Gabby was pregnant. However, it is clear that 36 weeks ago, which is roughly January 2021, a group was created on Pinterest that said life goals, with pins that included wedding treats and Oh Baby. Brian and Gabby were engaged in July 2020, according to his Instagram post. We know that the engagement was called off, and the couple went back to just dating before the road trip. So, it makes me wonder if the couple wanted different things in life that caused the tension? Who set up the group on Pinterest with the baby and wedding pins? Is it possible that it is a sonogram in the video, and someone was not happy with the fact that Gabby was expecting? It is just a theory that I thought I would put out there. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.